Good morning, friends. I just got finished running up this dreaded hill, and I have to fight for it every time I do it. That makes me think, what are you fighting for? What is worth fighting for in your life? I want to share some examples of what I fight and continue to fight for in my life. First thing is kids. When you've got kids, you're always fighting for them in a good way. You always want what's best for them. But our middle son, we adopted him. We were placed with him in foster care when he was 2.5, and we were able to adopt him when he was 5. And boy, that journey of being involved in the foster care system, that was a fight every day for him, for what was right and the best thing for him. That was a fight, and that was a test. But boy, did we fight for him, and the best gift we have been given in our lives has been him. So fight for what you know is the right thing in your life. Another thing I fight for in my life is my marriage. 20 years we've been married. That's a long time. And we all know that marriage is not all roses every day. It's hard work. It's definitely 50-50. Life is that way too. You can only smell the roses and be happy when you've experienced the lows and the sadness and arguing. You can only be on that good high end when you've experienced the low end. But Ryan balances me when I know that my fighter spirit is getting too strong, and when my heart has been hardening from life. He is the most loving man I know, and he softens my heart, and he balances me that way, and I love him every day, and he is worth fighting for. The last analogy I wanted to share with you is career, jobs. What is it in your life that you're willing to fight for? So my 9-to-5 job is in clinic, and I had to fight to shorten my hours. I tell you, in healthcare, anyone who works in the healthcare system knows the demand of what it takes to be in healthcare. And in order to fight for what I wanted to create in my life, I had to fight for it. I had to speak up for myself. I had to step out of my comfort zone, not in a mean way, but just in a way to stick up for myself and what I knew was right for myself. So figure out what is worth fighting for in your life. Kids, marriage, career, and the last thing is definitely your health, right? Health and leaving a legacy of health to our family is absolutely worth fighting for. Don't get down. Don't get complain and whiny. That's not what I'm talking about. I don't want you to complain about it or whine about it. Make the action. Take the steps to improve your health, lose that weight you've been wanting to open up your world in front of you for all the things that are worth fighting for. It starts with you. It starts with your mind and your thoughts, but you have to take the actions and the steps to get there. But you can absolutely do it. You have to believe it. You have to see it right here and then take action to your goals. What is worth fighting for in your life? I can't wait to hear from you. Drop your comments below. Also, I am starting a new group of women in my weight loss coaching. If you are interested in starting by joining now, don't wait until after Christmas. January 1, another New Year's resolution. Start now. What would it feel like to get ahead of the game, where maybe your New Year's resolution doesn't have to be weight loss again? Or if it is, maybe it's half the weight. Start now. Holidays come every year. In order to continue to lose the weight, keep it off, you have to learn how to deal with the holidays because they come around every year. A birthday, there's always something, but you have to be ready to take action now to create the life you want, to create the health you want. Message me for more information if you're ready to start your weight loss journey and get it going, kick it in before the holidays.